G'day, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today, of course, is launch day for July Masterclass. And you've all been so quick this time in guessing what this is. Of course, you all know what it is by now with the thumbnail. I finally got around to creating a lion. I have wanted to create a lion for so many years. I've certainly painted lions. And a lot of my family members have been prompting me for years to make one. So here he is, but he had to be in storybook style for me, not really into the realistic lions in soft sculpture. So storybook boy, and I absolutely love him. I hope you do too. He's really quite straightforward to put together, but we're working with some different textures here, so it's a whole lot of fun, and certainly a great project for you to really practice your workmanship, so because everything's on show here. So I hope you'll enjoy seeing him. Let's go and have a closer look at my beautiful storybook lion. So allow me to introduce you to our beautiful storybook lion, and I have kept him truly storybook with that whole vibe, that kind of like the little golden books vibe. I don't know if anybody remembers the Tawny Scrawny lion from those books, but this has always been in my imagination. This is the type of lion that I have always wanted to create, rather than a really realistic one. We've got some gorgeous synthetic fur here. This is a really inexpensive make, this one. So long as you get a really good quality synthetic fur, you only need it for the head and a little bit on the chest. You can make this one up in so many different colours. You could make a really colourful lion. There's some amazing synthetic furs out there. You could certainly make him colourful, and you could make him up in upholstery fabrics. He would look amazing made up in like a Harris tweed, checks, pure wool, old blanketing, old coats, all sorts. Just beautiful. Different techniques to learn this time. We are doing, of course, that addition of that mane. We are blending from very short into long. We're doing some airbrushing as always. Different ways to create paw pads. We've got some beautiful embellished paw pads there, and of course you could add a crown if you like. You could add a cape. I just think he's beautiful just as he is, and the only thing better than a beautiful storybook lion is if he had a friend. And so we've got my little meerkat here, and she fits this piece so perfectly. Look at that. Best friends. Absolutely love that. She's perfect to sit on his lap. And I'm so glad I made her up in those beautiful Serengeti brights. So of course she is there in Masterclass as well. She's having some time off from her baby right now. She does have a little baby. So that's all available to you in Masterclass, and I think this is just a really beautiful product. Everybody needs to make a lion for their sewing workroom of your collection. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing him. Okay, so now I can announce to you our winner of this month's giveaway. Like I said, everybody was so quick on guessing that it was a lion. I'm going to have to get better and sneakier with my sneaky peeks. You're all too quick. This month's winner, of course, was Rhonda Jenner. So Rhonda, if you can message me privately with your postal address and your email address, then I can send out your gift to you. And thank you so much everybody for joining in. I love it when everybody's guessing. And like I said, just too quick this time. So how did you like him? I hope you've enjoyed seeing him, and I look forward to beautifully coloured lions, and I was this close to actually making him in purples and brights and all that sort of thing, but I'm sure somebody will. And there's, like I said, there's some amazing synthetic furs out there that you can use, and I'm so looking forward to it. Incredible results coming through with our beautiful Highland cow. Seem to have hit the mark there. So many of you doing incredible things with that little cow, little girls, little boys, and I love to see it. Keep on sharing your work on our Facebook page. Come and join us there. If you haven't, I'll put the links down below. If you would like to join Masterclass and you feel like you might like to make a lion, come and join us in Masterclass. Also, I'll put that link down there below. So Thank you all for your well wishes. I had a silly accident, and I have had a black eye for about 2 weeks. Don't look too close. Thank goodness for makeup is all I can say. I'm feeling a whole lot better. Just my pride was hurt more than anything. I couldn't believe I turned 60 and immediately acted like an old lady. Never mind. You've got to laugh, don't you, or you'd cry. So look, everybody, keep on having a fantastic creative week, as I always tell you, and keep on paying all of those good things forward. Until next time, it is hooroo from me.